First one to wake up. Ang aga-aga pa. Mas 5:30 pa lang. Say good morning, guys.
Guys.
So mommy's fixing
Eggs.
breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yeah. The struggle is real.
Most delicious.
Don't touch. Ba't pa nagpakarga?
Mom, can I want to get down?
Okay. Go in your bed. Or in your couch. Yeah. So, good morning guys. So, fixing breakfast. Buboil ako ng mainit na tubig para sa lunches nila. Ang hirap if you're doing all at the same time, huh? So, ito na ating boiled water. Lagyan natin dito sa kanilang thermos. Kailangan kasi sobrang hot yung ilalagay mo dito para mag-stay siya ng warm. Kung anumang food ang ilalagay mo dito. And then, i-cover natin siya para i-cover ko lang. Sipon ko ay. Wala na nangyari sa eggs ko. Ano ba yan? Tingnan nyo kung ano nangyari sa eggs ko. Parang walang buhay or something. So yan, na-cover ka na siya. So kailangan siya ma-cover guys para mag-stay yung init niya sa loob. And then kailangan mag-stay siya dyan within 10 to 15 minutes or longer kung meron ka pang time. Yan. So, gisingin ko na yung mga bagets para makakain na sila. Say good morning! Go wake him up! Ginigising na niya kanina pa. Ayaw niya lang gumising. Go wake up Troy! He's in his bed. Oh! My goodness. You okay?
Yeah.
Nauntog pa ay. You okay?
He rolled over.
Yes, he did. Be careful.
I'm okay.
Good morning, Kuya.
Yankee.
Knock first. Uy, nautot ako. Troy, come on, let's go. Come on, you have school.
Why?
I'll turn off the light. Come on. Alright, come on.
Why, Mommy?
Go over there. Pinapatay ni Troy ang light. Okay, well.
Mine, why did Kale get to sit in the big chair?
He wants to sit there. Yo, sit down, mate.
Mommy, I want
Where are you going?
this light on.
I'm gonna get my
Get what?
ketchup.
Oh, get in the fridge. Where are you going? Okay, love, you want bread? You don't want any bread? Chad, do you want
No.
bread?
Yes.
I want the bed.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom first.
Okay, knock on the door.
I need to use the bathroom.
Okay, we'll go then.
Well, just knock on the door.
It's alright, Kuya Chad's in there though, so you don't have to knock. Gandambe City.
Mommy,
Ganda,
don't
may
leave me
acidity.
on Kayla.
Turumano. You need to eat now, baby. Hurry, because we're gonna go to the store. Ayan na po.
Then my phone ringing.
Isang linggo pa lang nakakapasok ka ng high
my
school.
pink phone ringing.
We all already have a cough.
Alright. Oh, hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash on. Until night shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on a rougher patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did.
So, ito na yung lunch nila, guys. Sobrang simple lang na kanilang lunch. Ayan, nandito na rin yung kanilang mga nuggets. Sobrang inano na natin para mag-stay yung init niya sa loob. So, ayan. So, pickle kay Caleb. And, ayaw nila ng kahit na ano. So, ayan. Ayan yung kanilang lunch. Simple. Ayan, everybody is going. So, first time ni go, Troy! Troy, go! First time ni Daddy na mag-ahatid sa kanila. Go!
Where my mommy?
Yes! So, sasama tayo dahil first time ni Daddy na ihatid sila sa bus stop. Go, sis! Go! Come on, we gotta go. The bus is gonna be here soon. Alright, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Enough room for me.
Yeah, there is. Troy, stand up.
Just stand up, Troy. Alright, I love you guys.
Love you too.
Bye, Kayla. I miss you.
Boy, Caleb.
Door. Bye. Bye.
Ayan na guys, andito na yung bus. Oh my gosh, we need to be here a little bit early.
Yeah, so that we can take a family picture.
No, it's okay. Oh,
We just run.
okay. Love you guys. Love you.
Love y'all. Love you. Gotta go.
Okay, love you. Yeah, say bye. Say bye, brother. Say bye, Mike. Say bye, Daddy. Dahil nalisa din si Daddy. Bye, Kuyas! Say bye-bye, Kuyas! Bye, Daddy!
They're going race challenge.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Yoo-hoo.
Ayan, yan lang ang ginawa namin. Yeah, yan lang ginawa namin. So, dapat magwa-Walmart na din kami, guys. But, di pa kami naka-ready ni Natalia. Well, si Natalia ready na siya, oh. Huh?
I want super soft here because I have super muscles.
Alright. Okay, let's go.
Oh.
Come on.
Thanks, Mommy.
Alright. Here, let me fold this. So, bahay na kami, guys. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung before, yung after ng pagkain ng mga bata. Especially kapag ako is sobrang busy. What? Ano ba naman to eh?
I want
You want what?
animal.
You want the animal? Go get some. Pag sobrang busy ako at hindi ako nakakapag-focus sa nila ng pagkain. So, ito, hindi ko alam kung kumain sila or what. So, ito. Did you get one? Ito naman to eh. Get one.
Anything is not working.
Where's the straw?
Oh.
Drink it. So, anyway, so ito na siya, guys. Ito yung plate ni Troy. Binigyan ko siya ng bread. So, hindi ko alam kung inubos niya yung bread. But, ito yung kanyang left ng kanyang eggs. Ayan. Ito naman kay Kuya Chad. Medyo masama yung pakiramdam ni Kuya. Inuubos siya. At sinisipon. Tapos, ito kay Natalia, talagang hindi niya talaga kinain. Oh, 'di ba? Sabi ko na, hindi kakain eh. And then, hindi ko alam kung uminom ng drink ang mga ito. Ito kay Caleb, ayan. Alam ko mauubos niya talaga yan eh. Ito kay Troy na drink. I don't know. Hindi uminom ng drink ang batang yun. Hay! Paloka! Kaya kailangan talaga, pagka tag na to, yung I'll do the lunches first and then do the breakfast. Kasi pagka I did everything all at the same time and get them ready and everything, as in talagang natataranta talaga ako na hindi ko alam mga ano. Kaya gusto ko kasi talaga na ihatid na lang sila sa school. But today is Daddy's first day since na surgery siya for like 2 weeks since nag-start ang school. Ang nahatid lang niya sa school is si Natalia si Troy lang. And then ever since noon, hindi niya na nahatid yung mga bata sa sa bus stop or sa school. So yun, ito yung kanyang first day na na maihatid sila sa bus stop. Kaya ang request niya is sa kanyang work ng Monday, Thursday and Friday, gusto niya na mag-ride sila ng bus in the morning. And then Tuesday and Wednesday ihahatid ko sila sa school. So yun, meron tayong 3 days na sobrang craziness. And ang dami nating kalat. Their clothes is everywhere. Yeah. Ito naman si ate girl. Oh, nakikisabay din siya. Gusto din niyang maging ready. So, nagsasabay din siya. And then, nakalimutan kong i-fill out yung ni Caleb. Gusto niya kasing mag-try out sa basketball sa school. Ayan. Yung triple thread basketball. Gusto niya mag-try out. Ang aga ng iPad mo Okay. After in a little bit, you're gonna turn it off, okay? Ang aga ng iPad
I want to sit next to you.
Naninilaw naman tayo dito sa ilaw natin. Ano ba yan? But, Ayun. So, I'm just gonna drink my coffee. So, ano na naman ang problema nito? What's the matter?
What's up with you?
Well, I'm gonna go sit down at the table because I'm gonna drink my coffee. You need to finish eating your food.
No.
May attitude talaga siya, may attitude. Saan niya nakuha ang attitude niya? Girl, you have an attitude.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Show them your shirt. Show them your shirt. What are you wearing?
A mommy shirt.
A Hello Kitty?
A Hello Kitty.
Mommy shirt. Ready na siya for Halloween.
Shirt. And I got the same one mommy shirty.
Yeah,
I
we
got
got.
two.
Yeah, you got two.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna drink my coffee.
Okay.
Okay.
Mommy,
Attitude girl.
can you get out?
Ako pa pinalaya sa upuan ko.
You can
Oh.
drink your coffee.
I'm gonna turn off this light, okay? Kasi sobrang
Okay.
liwanag natin. Ayan. Alright, I'm gonna drink my coffee. Oh, guys. Hi, guys. Hey, guys. Hindi kami nakapunta ni Natalia ng store dahil sumama ang aking pakiramdam. Siguro na ano na ang aking katawan is, you're tired. Your body is tired.
I got these.
White na white ka naman
I
dyan.
got toys. There's a blue and there's a pink. And this is for Troy.
Yeah.
And this is for me.
So, nakatulog kami ni Natalia. Ayan, wala talaga kaming ginawa today kasi talaga masama yung pakiramdam
I
ko.
want to
So,
share my toys with Troy.
sinabi talaga, inano siguro na talaga ng ano na, yung katawan mo. Pagod yung katawan mo, and,
Mommy, where did this come from?
I don't know.
From McDonald's.
Sure.
And this is for McDonald's. Yes. And Thursday.
Yeah. Bus is
I
here!
have to get down.
Ano? Sobrang aga ng bus, ha?
I want to do this. Mommy, we're going to.
Careful. So, ayan guys, dinner na sila. So, hotdog lang yung niluto ko dahil
Look, it's a dino that some.
so, pinayagan ko silang manood na to guys dahil meron akong Zoom meeting. And this is my first time na mag-Zoom meeting ako kasi I am part of the PTO. So, nag-join na ako kasi
Okay, so she wrecked the driver's head. The insurance will pay.
oh my gosh, 7:04 na pala. Hold on.
Trucker jumped from the car.
So, it's bedtime. Where is it? Go get it then. Ah. Tignan nyo naman mga hubaderong to. No, you can't take that to school. You're not allowed to bring the toy in the school. Turn it off.
Well, some people has it.
No.
Some people do because they bring it for show and tell.
Here. Good night. Give me a kiss. Good night. Give me a kiss. Oh, you're sad now? Okay. Kuya. You're blurry, Chad. Ay, do you need to go pee? Get it now! Oh my gosh, nag-iinarte. Ate, ang daming kalat ng mga to. Okay, go. Lay down. Come on, it's bedtime. No more TV. Oh my gosh, Natalia. Alright, good night. Give me a kiss. Say good night, guys.
Okay.
Alright, good night. No, you're not going to school. Good night.